Hello, this tutorial will show you how to obtain the notes a peer took for you for your class or classes on the Sakai website. Let's begin. The first step is to log onto the website, sakai.unc.edu. Using your UNC Onion and password, you will log into this site. Great. Okay. Once you've been approved for note-taking services and you've received a note-taker, someone's been identified, you're going to start seeing a Accessibility Resource tab right here on the top toolbar. If you don't see it up here on the toolbar, it may be hidden in your extended toolbar. So to look in your extended toolbar, you'll go down here where it says More Sites and select the Down button. And there you go. You'll see other classes that utilize the Sakai website listed here. So the Accessibility tab might be hidden in here. If not, it should be on your main page. If it's not in either locations, get in contact with the note-taking coordinator. If you want to change how your classes are presented on your toolbar, you can actually do so in Preferences. So you can switch them around and put them in whatever order you want to. Okay, now let's get back to how to find your notes. So you're going to click on the Accessibility tab. This will bring you to our main Sakai site. You'll see right here that there's some general information about our website. Our main website is accessibility.unc.edu. And right here will be the name and email address of the note-taking coordinator. So if you have any questions related to note-taking services, you can contact that person using that email address. Okay, now to find your notes, you're going to go to the left toolbar and go to the Resource tab. Once on this tab, you'll see some options down here, and one of those is note-taking service. So using the plus sign, clicking the folder, it will drop down to show a variety of different semesters. You're going to choose the semester that's most applicable for you. In this example, I'm going to use the Fall 2015 folder. Great. So as you can see, I have two classes that I'm getting notes for. The first one is Bio 101-001, and the second is Chem 102-004. This is the course that you're in the specific section that you're in. If this information is wrong, please notify the coordinator. So utilizing the plus sign, you can look and see if there's any notes been uploaded for that class. So I'm going to select this one for Bio 101. As you can see, I've had 3 sets of notes uploaded. If you go down to chemistry, you can see that there's no plus sign on the folder. That means nothing's been uploaded. Or you can look over here to your right and notice that there's 0 items that's been uploaded. That means your note taker has not posted anything. Please notify the note-taking coordinator if your notes have not been uploaded within 24 hours of the class. Okay. So if you go back to Bio 101, you'll see that I have 3 classes that have been uploaded. We've asked your note takers to be as detailed as possible when creating the names of the uploads. For instance, we've asked them to either use a date, like 10/15/15, or use a specific part of the course. So for instance, for biology, this could be all the chapters that are on cell development. So they labeled this cell development lecture. So there may be multiple lectures under here. But we've asked them to be very detailed so that you're not guessing which notes they're for. We've also asked that if for some reason there were no notes for that class or the student was sick, we're asking them to post a blank Word document saying why there were no notes. If your note taker is sick, we've asked them to ask another classmate for their notes. If they're unable to do so, they'll contact us and we'll find a different way to retrieve your notes. Okay, and that's really how you obtain the notes for your class. But before you leave, I just want to talk about a couple of things real briefly. Just some tips and things to know. Number 1, it's your responsibility to inform the note-taking coordinator if the notes are not being uploaded. Each class is different in regards to the amount of notes taken per week, so only you would know what's appropriate or inappropriate for that course. The coordinator would only know if you tell them. The second is to download and save the notes to your computer. Technology can be unreliable sometimes, which means the Sakai website may go down at really inconvenient times, like right before an exam. We encourage you to upload the notes to your computer consistently to avoid losing access to your notes. Number 3, you are anonymous to your note taker. unless you respond to something on Sakai. That is your decision to make. If you'd like to stay anonymous, you can contact the note-taking coordinator, and they'll be happy to pass along any question to your note taker. Whether it's a question, comment, or even just a thank you, we're happy to forward it to them so that you can stay anonymous. Awesome. Well, thank you for viewing this tutorial, and please contact the coordinator if you have any additional questions.